A journey of friendship. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between green hills and meandering rivers, lived two best friends, Emily and Jake. They were inseparable, sharing laughter, secrets, and adventures. One day, as they explored the woods near their homes, they stumbled upon an old, mysterious door covered in vines. Intrigued by the door, Emily and Jake decided to open it, not knowing what lay beyond. To their astonishment, they found themselves in a magical land filled with talking animals, sparkling streams, and towering castles. The friends were amazed by the beauty around them and realized they were in a place called Fantasia. As Emily and Jake wandered through Fantasia, they encountered a wise owl named Oliver, who offered to be their guide. Oliver explained that Fantasia was a realm of dreams and friendship, where the power of imagination could make anything possible. The friends embarked on a journey through Fantasia, meeting friendly creatures and overcoming challenges together. They learned that in this magical land, kindness and cooperation were the keys to unlocking the wonders around them. As they continued their adventure, Emily and Jake faced a dark forest where the trees whispered fearsome tales. It was here that they discovered the importance of courage and standing by each other in difficult times. With their friendship as a source of strength, they emerged from the dark forest unscathed. One day, as they approached the heart of Fantasia, they encountered a magical fountain. The fountain had the power to grant one wish to those who truly believed in the magic of friendship. Emily and Jake closed their eyes and wished for happiness and prosperity for their town and its people. To their amazement, the wish came true. Fantasia responded to the purity of their hearts, and the friends found themselves back at the old door in the woods. The once mysterious door now stood open, inviting them to return to their town. With hearts full of gratitude and a newfound appreciation for friendship, Emily and Jake stepped through the door. They returned home, carrying the lessons and magic of Fantasia with them. Important vocabulary. 1. Meandering, moving slowly in no particular direction or with no clear purpose. 2. Intrigued, arousing curiosity or interest. 3. Astonishment, great surprise or amazement. 4. Realm, a kingdom or domain, especially one of a particular kind. 5. Cooperation, the action or process of working together to achieve a common goal. 6. Courage, the ability to confront fear, pain, danger, uncertainty, or intimidation. 7. Unscathed, without suffering any injury, damage, or harm. 8. Prosperity, the state of being successful or thriving, especially in financial terms. 9. Gratitude, the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation. 10. Newfound, recently acquired or discovered. Conclusion. The story of Emily and Jake in the magical land of Fantasia teaches us that true friendship is a source of strength, courage, and boundless possibilities. The power of imagination, kindness, and cooperation can overcome challenges, and the magic of a pure heart can bring happiness not only to oneself but also to the community. Life lessons. 1. The power of friendship. Emily and Jake's unwavering friendship became the cornerstone of their journey, highlighting the importance of companionship in life. 2. Courage in adversity. Facing the dark forest together, the friends discovered the significance of courage and supporting each other in challenging times. 3. Kindness and cooperation. In Fantasia, the friends learned that kindness and cooperation are essential for unlocking the wonders of life. 4. The magic of imagination. Fantasia symbolizes the limitless possibilities that come from a creative and imaginative mindset. 5. Gratitude and wishes. The story emphasizes the impact of gratitude and selfless wishes, showing that a positive outlook can bring about positive change. In essence, a journey of friendship encourages us to cherish and nurture the bonds of friendship, face challenges with courage, and believe in the magic that kindness and imagination can bring to our lives and the lives of those around us.